Today I'm going to show you how I make homemade mayonnaise. I've been making this for quite some time. It's simple to make. There's only 6 ingredients. Tastes a lot better than the stuff you buy in the store. And the recipe, you can double the recipe to make if you want a double batch. It's simple to make. Stay with me. 3/4 cup of grapeseed oil, 1 egg, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, teaspoon of lemon juice, quarter teaspoon of sea salt, half teaspoon of brown spicy mustard. Take the immersion blender, that's all there is to it. Keep it in the refrigerator and enjoy. Very simple.